को शेट ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा के लाके शेट ठोक दीजिए।
Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel Online Coaching. Today we will discuss about solution of SST Set 2 of class 9th in English. So, start this video. Question first. Who was the founder of Nazi Party? Answer. Anton Drexler was the founder of the Nazi Party. Question 2. What called Zoom or nomadic farming? Zoom called also shifting crossing. So answer is shifting farming is an agriculture method in which part of land are temporarily cultivated, left and allotted to return to their natural greenery vegetation while the grower move to another place. Question 3. Write the definition of poverty. So poverty is a condition in which a person or community lacks of financial resources and is essential for a minimum standard of living. Question 4. What do mean by hunger? Answer. Hunger is a condition in which a person does not have the physical or financial capability to eat sufficient food. Question 5. How many types of fundamental rights are available to the citizens by the Indian Constitution? Answer. There are 6 fundamental rights are available to the citizens by the Indian Constitution. Question 6. What is the model code of conduct? Answer. The model code of conduct is set of guidelines issued by the Election Commission of India for conduct of political parties candidates during election. Question 7. What is meant by natural vegetation? Answer. Natural vegetation refers to a plant community which has grown naturally without human acts and has been left undisturbed by human for a long time. Section B. Question number 8. What were the main features of Nazism? Answer. The Nazism features of Nazism are fervent anti-Semitism, anti-communism, scientific racism, and the use of agonics. Question 9. What the relation of forest with livelihood? The answer. The relation of forest with livelihood are follows. A. Forest provides work chance to maintain vocation through timber industry. Option B. Answer B. Answer number B. The forest supply with firewood and wood to support the living. C. The forest supply medication to the humans populace. Question 10. Poverty line may vary with time and place. Support the statement with an example. Answer. Poverty line is an imaginary line used to any country to determine its poverty. Poor it is a person which lacks of financial resources and essential things. For example, a person not having a car in USA may be considered poor, but in India, owning of a car is still considered a luxury. Question 11. What type of people can be more food insecure? Answer. The SC, ST and some sections of the OBC who have their either poor land based or very low productivity. Full stop. And eastern and southern eastern part of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Orissa, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, and part of Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra are the largest food insecure states in India. Question 12. Explain about National Human Rights Commission. Answer. The National Human Rights Commission is responsible for the protection and promotion of human rights defined by Act as right relating to life, liberty, equality, and dignity of individual guaranteed by the Constitution or embodied in the international covenants and enforceable of by court in India. Question 13. What are the challenges of free and fair election in India? Answer. Challenges to free and fair elections in India are follows. 1. Money power is of candidates and political parties. Second, criminal elements entering the political fray. 3. Family politics. 4. Similarity of parties in politi- policies and practice. 5. Disadvantage of smaller parties and independent candidates. Question 14. The amount of rainfall in India decreases from east to west. Why? Answer. Rainfall decreases from the east to west in northern India because there is a decrease in the moisture content of the wind. As the moisture bearing wind of Bay of Bengal branch of the southern west monsoon move further and further inland, the moisture gradually decreases and result in low rainfall when moving westwards. Consequently, states like Gujarat and Rajasthan in western India get very little rainfall. Section C. Question number 15. What methods did the Nazis adopt to gain complete control over the people? Answer. Adolf Hitler becomes a Chancellor of Germany in 1933. He passed many laws to gain control over his people. The first decree was passed on 28th February 1933. The decree abolished freedom of speech, press, and assembly that had been guaranteed by the Weimar Constitution. Cons- Concentration camps were set up and communi- communists and Jews were sent there. Full stop. On 3rd March 1933, the famous Enabling Act was passed. This act established dictatorship and in Germany. All other political party were banned. Full stop. Nazi party took complete control of economy, media, army, and judiciary. Full stop. Special surveillance and security force were created to control and order society in a way that the Nazis wanted. Full stop. The police, the stormtroopers, the Gestapo, the SS, and security service were given extraordinary power to extraordinary power to control and order the society. Question 16. Write a note on following. A. Minimum support price. Answer. Minimum support price that it's refer to the price at which the government secure food grains, wheat and rice through FCI from the farmers in states where there is a surplus in production. B. Buffer stocks. Answer: buffer stock is the stocks of food grains, particularly wheat and rice, which the government purchase through the Food Corporation of India (FCI). Full stop. The FCI purchase these cereals directly from the farmers. C. Issue price. Issue price. In order to help the poor extra of the society, the government provides them food grains from the buffer stock at a price much lower than market price. This subsidized price is known as the issue price. 17. Explain the fundamental rights mentioned in the Indian Constitution. Answer: fundamental rights are the basic human rights enshrined in the Constitution of India, which are guarantees to all citizens. Full stop. They are applied without discrimination on the basis of race, regions, genders, etc. Significantly, fundamental rights are enforceable by the courts subject to certain conditions. These rights are called fundamental rights because of two reasons. Reason first, they are enshrined in constitutions which guaranteed them. Reason second, they are justiciable in case of violations. A person can approach a court of law. Questions 18. Describe stage of winter season and their characteristics. Answer: the cold weather season brings from the November in northern India and stay till February. December and January are the coldest months in the northern part of India. Some points are: points A, the weather is normally marked by clear sky, low temperatures, low humidity, and variable winds. B, days are warm and nights are cold in this season. C, during these seasons, the northeast trade winds blow from land to sea, and hence for most part of the country it is a dry season. Full stop. Some amount of rainfall occurs on the Tamil Nadu coast from these winds as they blow there from a sea to land. तो स्टूडेंट, आज का क्लास यहाँ पर समाप्त होता है। यदि आप लोगों को वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी शेयर कीजिएगा। तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद और मिलते हैं जल्द ही दूसरे वीडियो में। सेट 3 का आंसर जल्द ही अपलोड करने वाले हैं अपने चैनल पे। थैंक यू।